We first make our habits, and then our habits make us. Hi everybody, Leah Kim Brighton of Me Talent and Executive Search, your career advisor and hiring strategist. Brighton Bites are again small, actionable steps that you can take in your career and your life. I know for some, carving out that career or finding out their life path can seem pretty overwhelming and unwieldy. And what these are small, actionable steps that you can take to make those leaps in your career and life. Remember, if you find these helpful, be sure to tap that like button, click subscribe, and ring that bell. This week, I want you to think of one action that will make your life 1% better. This might be, for example, getting up half an hour earlier, maybe going to bed half an hour earlier, reading one page of a book, listening to one podcast a week. You pick. You pick that one thing that will make your life in 2 months 1% better. Then, once you've identified that habit, give yourself a timeline for when you have to commit to start actioning that step. And then once you do so, make sure that you continue to do that habit for at least 2 months. There's lots of research that shows that it takes a minimum of actually 66 days in order for something to truly become a habit. I know that 2 months can seem like a very long time and pretty overwhelming, so break that down. For that first week, give yourself a reward. Once you've completed that new habit for 7 days in that first week, celebrate in whatever way you would like. And then do so maybe 2 weeks following, and then 3 weeks following, and then ultimately you'll get to 2 months. The goal is to get to 2 months where you don't necessarily need external rewards, but you'll see the positive impact that it's had on your life. That was short and sweet, as promised. And before you sign off, be sure to tap that like button, click subscribe, and ring that bell so you can be notified of the next Brighton Bites. Lastly, if you haven't heard this today, remember, you got this. And as John Dryden once said, we first make our habits, and then our habits make us.